Asin ba to? Ayan. It's purely like rough. Looks rough. Meron pa yung kasama guys. Ito guys, isang quartz stone again. Ayan o, napaganda. Ay, sorry. Yes, quartz stone. Napaganda dito guys. So, rough siya guys. It's a rough. Best combination of the color yellowish and white. Look at the textures of the stone. Yan, it's purely quartz stone. Napakaganda. Yan, napakaganda. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, another one. Napakaganda nito guys. Ang laki. Yan. Look at this guys. Quartz stone. Ibang klase. Kumikistap, kumikinang sa sobrang ganda niya. Ayan. Look at this guys, oh. Purely stone.